If you want to take a long screenshot on OnePlus 15, here's what you can do. So first of all, we can use 3 fingers, and in this case actually we're gonna open any app or browser where we can scroll. So use 3 fingers, press and hold on the screen, and then once the screen turns darker, we can swipe all the way down in order to then start the scrolling screenshot. So it looks like this. You can also use your finger in order to scroll manually, and then you can also tap on auto scroll in order to make the phone scroll for you. You can select where the screenshot should end. So let's say I'm gonna select it over here, and you can tap on done. Besides that, what you can also do is you can go to quick settings or the control center, and you can find the screenshot button. However, instead of tapping on the button itself, we're gonna tap on the name. There we go. And then we have the scrolling screenshot option. And this is how we can capture a scrolling screenshot as well. As for the 3-finger gesture, what you can also do is, for example, check in settings if the gesture is enabled, because if it doesn't work for you, it might be actually deactivated in settings. So we're gonna go to settings, choose accessibility and convenience, and then in here find screenshot. And we need to make sure that this one, the 3-finger touch and hold option, is enabled. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.